Hi, in this video I would like to introduce function hole recognition from Fusion 360. This function can automatically apply drilling and tapping on your 3D part. For example, there you can see that we have part with some holes like 5 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 6 millimeters and 6 millimeters. And we have also holes on the right side and also on the left side. So firstly, what we have to do is check our tool database. So we will go to the manage and tool library. And we can see that I prepared some sample tool database, which tools which will be used on this 3D model. So like 10 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 8 millimeters, 6, 15, 10, and 4. So tool database is prepared, so we can close it. And now, if you have active machining extension in your Fusion, you can see this function as active. So click on hole recognition and we can see that the Fusion found all holes which are inside our project. So 5, 8, 4 and 10. In the action, we can select which type of machining will be applied on our 3D model. So for 5 mm, we let, for example, spot drill and drill hole. For 8 mm, we can select, for example, only simple drill. For 4 mm, we can let it as it is, so spot drill and drill hole. And for 10 mm, we will select spot drill, drill and tap blind hole. There we also select the treat type, so it will be M10 times 1. And it's all for these main settings. In the tool library, we can select our tool database with the tool which we prepared before. So it's okay, drill tools, and go to the option. There you have a few settings like a multi-axis machining. So if you check it, it will automatically find also holes which are on other plane than top plane, and use the 3+2 machining for machining this hole. So we can check it because we have some hole in the right and left face. We can also set range by some angle, by a minimum angle and maximum angle, but this we do not need now. Or we can select the range for diameter settings. So if we want, for example, maximum diameter 50, we can set 50 millimeter, and it will looking only for holes which have maximum diameter 50 millimeter. Organize operation. By this we can set if we want prefer the minimize tool change, or if we want drilling and tapping by a group. So for example, if we have 5 millimeters, 6 millimeters, 8 millimeters, so it will automatically create machining, for example, spot drill and drilling, and on every group it will make a tool change for spot drill and drill, and again spot drill and drill. So what we want. So we want minimize tool change. So now it's all prepared, so we can click OK, and we can see that our machining is done. So that's a spot drill and drilling by some next hole. We can simulate this machining, and we can see that our operation are done. So this is the simplest way how you can apply the multiple drilling and tapping on your 3D model. Thank you for your attention and enjoy the rest of the day.